part of KL, and today we're gonna fulfill Shane's food cravings. Or is it baby's food cravings? Night 1, we wanted to eat in KLCC, but it's quite full. So we went all the way to Robinson's, and Shane will tell you more about it.
Did you book these restaurants first? There's nobody. I think they booked the hotels for me, right? They purposely called me to go to KLCC. Then we go to all the places, then no place. Sorry sir, you're booked until closed. Eating out for breakfast. I'm hungry since 5:33 a.m.
We are at the KLCC park.
What are we here for?
To drone.
Can drone ah?
Can.
Drone down meh?
Little bit only lah.
Don't pretend. Cannot get anything right?
The signal was a little weak.
Yeah.
Interestingly enough, we went to Lot 10 twice today. The first time was for lunch with Roy and Amanda. And then we wanted to go to Don Don Donki, but it was crowded. We came back to the hotel and did this.
So we're expecting?
Then we decided to go to Lot 10 again. Hello. Hi, welcome. Because Shane wanted to eat at Anzu.
Let's go eat Anzu tomorrow.
we finally managed to go to Don the Donkey. On the way out, we wanted to come back to the hotel. It was raining super heavily. We wanted to get a Grab, but there weren't available cars around, so we had to just loiter around Lot 10 for a bit. And then Shane decided to...
Already. But I got the Grab car plus.
Back. We're gonna wash up and get some rest, get a good sleep on our last night in Mandarin Oriental, and we'll check out tomorrow. Potato chips.
Potato cheese.
Sweet potato. Kalbi. Ooh.